everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something nobody really enjoys.
Going to the doctor.
Oh no, that already sounds stressful.
A little stressful, especially when you do not feel good.
Yes, maybe your head hurts, maybe your throat hurts, maybe you just feel tired.
Or maybe you tell yourself, I'm fine.
But you are not fine.
Exactly.
Today we are talking about real English for going to the doctor.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you need English because you do not feel well.
And maybe you feel nervous too.
Especially in another country.
Yes. Maybe you think, oh no, how do I explain this in English?
Don't worry. Today, we will help.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with natural conversations,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
Okay, Sam, let's imagine something. You wake up in the morning, and something feels wrong.
I already don't like the story.
Maybe your head hurts.
Headache?
Yes. Useful sentence, everyone. I have a headache.
Nice and simple. Repeat after us. I have a headache.
Or maybe your throat hurts.
Oh no, that one feels bad.
Useful sentence. My throat hurts.
Easy English, real English.
Maybe your body feels tired.
Very tired.
Then you can say, I feel tired.
Sam, I have a question.
Okay.
What if I do not know what is wrong?
Good question. Then say something simple. I don't feel well.
Oh, that is useful.
Very useful. Repeat after us. I don't feel well.
Sometimes simple English is best.
Exactly.
So now, maybe you decide to go to the doctor.
But maybe you feel nervous.
I always feel nervous.
Really?
Yes, even when it's something small.
Sometimes waiting rooms feel scary.
Especially when everyone looks serious.
Very true.
Then maybe the doctor asks, how can I help you?
Good question. What should people say?
Maybe I don't feel well.
Perfect. Or, I have a headache.
Or, my throat hurts.
Nice.
Short sentences help.
Very much. Then maybe the doctor asks, how long have you felt like this?
That question can sound difficult.
A little, but don't worry. It means, when did this start?
Ah, okay.
So maybe you answer, for 2 days.
Or, since yesterday.
Very natural English.
Then maybe the doctor says, do you have a fever?
Useful word, everyone. Fever.
Feeling very hot, maybe tired. Not fun.
Not fun at all.
Then maybe the doctor checks your temperature.
And you wait.
Waiting feels long.
Especially when you feel sick.
Sam, I have a question.
What is the worst part? Easy. The waiting.
Really?
Yes. Sitting there, looking at the clock, feeling tired.
For me, it's when the doctor says, open your mouth.
Wait. Why?
Because suddenly I forget how to act normal.
That sounds funny.
I know. I sit there like,
Okay, that is a little funny.
Thank you.
Then maybe the doctor asks, does anything hurt?
Useful question. Maybe you say, my stomach hurts.
Or, my back hurts.
Or maybe I feel dizzy.
Good word. Dizzy means your head feels strange. Maybe the room feels like it's moving.
Not a nice feeling.
No. Then maybe the doctor says, you should rest.
Very useful sentence.
Repeat after us. You should rest.
Maybe also drink more water.
Doctors love saying that.
Very true. No matter what happens, the answer is always drink more water.
Honestly, sometimes they're right.
Fair point.
Then maybe the doctor gives medicine.
Useful sentence. Take this medicine.
Or take it 2 times a day.
Important English.
Very important.
But wait, what if I do not understand?
Good question. Then ask politely. Can you explain again, please?
Nice. Don't be shy.
Yes, asking questions is okay.
especially about your health.
Exactly.
Then maybe you start feeling a little better.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But
Wait, what if you are scared of medicine?
oh no, that sounds like another problem.
Okay, Sam. Let's talk about that.
Yes, please. Because some medicine tastes terrible.
Oh no, that is true.
Especially cough medicine. Sometimes it tastes so bad, sometimes you start asking yourself, am I getting better or worse?
That sounds dramatic.
Maybe a little dramatic.
But honestly, some medicine really does taste bad.
Then maybe the doctor says, take this medicine after food.
Useful sentence, everyone. Take this medicine after food.
Or maybe, take this medicine before bed.
Very important to understand.
Because nobody wants medicine problems.
Very true.
Then maybe you go to the pharmacy.
Ah, yes, another real-life situation.
Sometimes the pharmacist asks, can I help you?
Nice and simple. Then maybe you say, I need this medicine.
Or, the doctor gave me this.
Useful beginner English.
Then maybe the pharmacist explains, take one pill in the morning.
Or take one before sleeping.
Emma, I have a question.
Okay,
What if I still feel sick after a few days?
good question. Then maybe you go back to the doctor.
That makes sense.
And maybe you say, I still don't feel well.
Useful sentence, everyone. I still don't feel well.
Or I'm not feeling better.
Nice and easy English.
Because sometimes healing takes time.
Yes, rest matters too.
Very important. Sleep, water, good food.
And maybe no staying awake until 2 a.m.
That sounds very personal.
I may be talking about myself.
I thought so.
Then imagine this. Your friend asks, how are you feeling?
Good question. Maybe you answer, I feel a little better.
Or, I'm still tired.
Very natural English.
Emma, what is the funniest thing people do when they are sick?
Easy. Looking online for symptoms.
Oh no, that never ends well.
Never. You search one small headache, and suddenly the internet says, good luck.
That feels too real.
Very real.
Sometimes people also say, I'm okay, but clearly they are not okay.
Yes, they're under 3 blankets, drinking tea, looking tired.
And still saying, I'm fine.
Maybe not fine.
Probably not fine.
But you know something important?
What?
You do not need perfect English at the doctor.
Really?
Really? Simple English works. Short sentences help.
That feels less scary.
Exactly. You can say, my throat hurts.
I have a headache.
I feel tired.
I don't feel well.
Real English. Real life.
Today, we learned useful doctor English like, how long have you felt like this?
I still don't feel well.
Take this medicine.
You should rest.
Can you explain again, please?
Nice, simple phrases.
Perfect for beginners,
And remember, feeling nervous is normal.
especially at the doctor.
But confidence grows little by little.
One conversation at a time,
One small sentence at a time.
even if your English is not perfect.
Because communication matters more.
Emma, one final question.
Okay.
When you are sick, what helps you feel better?
Tea, warm soup, and lots of sleep.
Mine is movies, blankets, and doing absolutely nothing.
Honestly, that sounds nice.
Being sick is bad, but blankets are good.
Fair point.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident speaking English in real life.
And if you ever need to visit a doctor, maybe now you know what to say.
If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
We will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.